What's up everyone, Tina here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the new Kajabi email template importer. We're very excited to release this new feature because after our latest Kajabi release, which was to import the videos straight from Kajabi, now the new email importer tops it all, which makes it a seamless migration from Kajabi with just a few clicks of a button. So if you've been holding back to migrate over from Kajabi because you had beautifully designed email templates, you can now just do so while saving a ton of time. You do not need to copy and paste anything. So first let's cruise over to marketing on the left, emails at the top, and then select templates. Click on plus near the top right corner. Select the last option from the drop-down menu, import email. You will see this window popping up, which will allow you to import from different email service provider, by the way, MailChimp and ActiveCampaign, and now you can also see Kajabi. So select Kajabi, and here you can see again the instructions written down. So number one, copy the email ID provided, which is this one right here. You just click this button to copy it. Then you want to log into your Kajabi account. Under marketing on the left, select email campaigns. Select the email in question. Scroll down until you see send test email. Click on it. Then just paste the email which you just copied and hit send preview. Now you can see this field lighting up in green, which means that worked. Go back to your account. And as it states in the instructions, once email is sent, which we just did, click continue. Hit continue. And now you can see the email template has successfully been imported. Hit create template. And here you go, your Kajabi template has been imported, even including the design. That's it already. That's how easy you can import emails from Kajabi. I will see you in the next video.